one that spins fastest. Wow! It's a cooked egg. Now let's spin this one. Of course, it's gonna be a raw egg. It's a raw egg. This one's a raw egg. So, here's explanation.
So first, the cooked egg, since the inside is solid because it's cooked, it spins really fast and it keeps in one place the solid yolk thing, and it keeps in one place so it spins at the same speed. But the raw egg, the liquid sloshes around. See? Look. Okay, so see, I'll show you. It goes kind of like that, and when that happens, it changes the speed of this egg and goes wobble, and it wobbles a lot by sloshing around inside. So, if you want to watch more of my videos, go to bac.com.au and his house. Search for it. BAC. Bye bye.